we have a nymph, right? You have a bobber and a strike indicator. We try to imitate what they are eating or what they are looking for. If you pay attention right there, it's a dark line and it's a drop off, no? So the idea is casting upstream. I want the fly drift right by that, see? That's because I know the fish are right there. I can see a couple of them over there. So if I cast upstream, they see the food coming like this, so that's the time when they're gonna eat it. Sometimes they go to the side, they're gonna move a little bit. And if they are in that really good mood to eat, they're gonna move 10 feet if they want to eat. But the idea to maximize the chances to catch fish, you have to put it right in front of them. So I'm bending the line, why? Because the current, what it does, drag your fly, drag your line. For example, I cast up there, like this, no? Look at that. So I have all my line, so I have a long line, and look at how the current is dragging it. It's dragging it, it's dragging it, it's dragging it. The way how you stop the drag, you cast up there and you bend the line to the opposite way the current is going, like this. As you can see right now, the strike indicator is drifting same speed, and you see that belly downstream again, bend upstream, so I'm stop the drag. When it's windy, keep the speed without rushing it. Easy when it's breezy. Just have to let the line load on the back and go forward. And if you feel it's windy, you don't have to speed it up. You only have to add a little bit of power, like a little bit of flick at the end, no? And that's gonna help you to fight against the wind. See, easy when it's breezy. And you're gonna have a good cast there. We have been fishing for 30 minutes and nothing yet, but I'm hoping we're gonna be pretty lucky in a couple of minutes. I feel lucky, when you feel lucky, good things happen. I would say fishing, it's all about attitude. If you put good attitude on your fishing, good things are gonna happen.